Is this happening to you as well, that you have just taken a bath a short while ago, and so much smell has started coming from your underarms and you feel intense embarrassment? The most expensive deodorants, perfumes, different things you have tried using and now you're tired. You don't understand what to use so that your body odor can be covered. My name is Manor, and you are watching Glow with Noor. If you're facing this problem and you're facing embarrassment, especially when you're at your workplace, then this problem embarrasses you a lot when a lot of body odor starts coming from us. So today's video is especially for you if you are going through this problem. This video is for both ladies and gents. Both can watch it. I have to tell you a solution for this thing today with such an inexpensive item. We will make a very good, deodorant at home, which I say will work 100% for you. If you watch today's video completely, you will leave the most expensive deodorants that you are using. You will even leave branded deodorants if you try using this once. Do try making it once. Make sure to try it after watching this video, and do let me know. I have made my family members use it, and its results are 80%. I am so very surprised that it has such good results. Had heard that people make homemade DIY deodorants, and they have very good results. But now that I have used it myself, made family members use it, then I thought I should make people around me use it. So I found out that it's awesome. You're going to like it a lot. This thing of yours, I say is going to be completely finished if you watch this video. Before the remedy, I would like to clear up a misunderstanding that a lot of people think that the smell that comes from someone comes from sweat, comes from sweating, but it is not like that at all. The smell that comes from you, sweat or sweating, doesn't have any smell of its own, right? The natural bacteria that are on our body, on our skin, when they get the moisture from our sweat, they start to multiply. When they start multiplying, then they create smell, create bad odor, right? So that's why the remedy I'm going to share with you will kill the bacteria. When the bacteria are killed, then where will the smell come from you? The smell will vanish into thin air. So now let's move towards making our anti-odor deodorant. Now we move towards our magical remedy, which will be made with these magical stones, which are called alum, meaning fitkari. You can easily get alum from any herbalist. Buy its stones and bring them. Do not take it in powder form. You have to bring it in its stones form only, because alum powder resembles many other things. So often people fraud with you and give you the wrong thing. The alum that is there is naturally antiseptic. It is antibacterial, which kills the bacteria that cause smell. To make anti-odor deodorant, you need a spray bottle here. If you want, you can use a roll-on bottle as well. Whatever is available with you. I had a spray bottle available here. After that, I'm using rose water here. If you want, you can use simple water as well. No issue. Rose water gives a very refreshing vibe, so I used that here. Next, our thing in this is the alum stone, which is to be used. I told you that you have to buy and bring it in stone form. You have to crush it at home, however you want to crush it. But you don't have to bring ready-made powder. Fraud happens, so do not put the whole stone as a stone in it. Rather, you have to put powder in it. I have made the alum powder and kept it with me. Look here, I am showing you here that I have crushed it well. I have also shown you the stone here. It is a small stone, so I can put the stone in between. But I will not put it. Why won't I put it? Because the alum stone will not melt in between. Therefore, use it in powder form only. This crushed powder, this I will put in it, inside the rose water. Whatever amount you have, according to your bottle, you have to put. Here I will use almost 1 spoon of alum powder. According to this bottle, you also have to put 1 to 1.5 spoons of alum powder in between in the same way. Now, here alum powder was added. So now I'm shaking it, mixing it. The remaining I will keep aside. This, a little bit, I'm mixing it. So after mixing, it will blend and dissolve on its own. Now here I move to the next step, which is to add fragrance. If you want, you can whatever fragrance you have, you can add that. You have baby powder lying around. Add that. Any good powder lying with you? Mix that. If you want, you can use some perfume. I had an oil-based perfume lying here. This is oil-based. This is added in a very small amount, so it becomes a perfume. A very good one. So I have made a perfume and deodorant mix, so that a good fragrance also comes from nearby. Your germs are to be killed anyway, but along with that, a good fragrance should also come from you. No need to apply perfume at all. If you want, you can use this deodorant like this, but to make it more professional and better, so that if it is placed anywhere, it gives a very good look. So for that, I'm adding food color here. Whatever color is available with you. If you want, you can add that. This is optional. I have added a very little bit in this to give it a beautiful color. When its color comes, it will look very beautiful lying around, like some perfume is lying around, or some good mist is lying around. Now I'm closing it, and here our excellent antiseptic anti-odor deodorant is ready, which will work like a perfume. Fragrance will also come. It will also kill germs. Its formulation is completely non-greasy. In this, you do not need to add any kind of oil or any kind of greasy thing at all. This will absorb very well into your skin and will work perfectly for you. You keep this inside the washroom and use it. Look, from this stone, this magical stone alum, from this I have made such a good deodorant. Must use it. Do tell me how you liked it. I hope that you liked this video of mine very much.